You've got the basics down. Now we're getting to the really good stuff. This is where SQL stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like detective work. You're connecting dots, finding patterns, answering questions that actually matter to businesses. The reality check. Here's what I wish someone had told me. Intermediate SQL is where you stop being someone who can pull data and become someone who can actually analyze it. There's a huge difference between show me all orders and show me which customers are buying more this quarter compared to last. Let's break it down. Module 2.1, SQL Joins. This is probably the biggest game changer you'll learn. Most real data doesn't live in one neat table. Customer info is here, order details there, product information somewhere else. Joins bring it all together. Inner join shows only matching records. Left join keeps everything from your main table, plus whatever matches. I'll be honest, left join is what you'll use 90% of the time. But knowing when to use the others makes you look like you actually know what you're doing. Module 2.2, Aggregate Functions. Count, sum, average, min, max. These turn thousands of records into actual insights. Nobody wants to scroll through 50,000 orders, but total quarterly sales or average order value by segment? That gets you invited to strategy meetings. Module 2.4, Subqueries. Queries inside other queries. Want customers who spent more than average? First, calculate the average, subquery, then filter your main query. It's like having a helper do the math while you focus on the big picture. Module 2.5, Group By and Having. Group By creates categories on the fly, sales by region, users by age group. Having filters those groups. Show me regions with more than 100,000 in sales. That's Group By with Having. Super useful for breaking down performance data. Module 2.6, Set Operations. Union combines results from different queries. Intercept finds what's common. Except shows what's in one set but not another. Perfect for customers who bought this year but not last year type questions. Why this changes everything? With basic SQL, you answer how many orders yesterday. With intermediate SQL, you answer which customer segments showed unusual buying patterns compared to seasonal trends. You're not just pulling data, you're providing insights that drive decisions. The learning process. Don't try mastering everything at once. Start with simple two-table joins. Practice aggregates on real datasets you care about. The U2X AI assistant is clutch here, like having a senior analyst sitting next to you when you're stuck. Real talk. Work with data you actually care about. Sports fan? Use sports datasets. Into finance? Grab stock data. When you're curious about results, you'll push through syntax frustrations. The confidence boost. Once you nail this stuff, something clicks. You start thinking in relationships and patterns instead of individual records. You'll catch yourself saying, "V could join customer to orders and group by region." That's when you know you're getting it. V skills make you genuinely useful at work. You become the person who answers complex questions quickly, spots trends, helps make business decisions. Ready to level up from data puller to data analyst? Let's dive in!